All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between, never met your life. When you were born there was thunder. Fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. My heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full forest is.
What's good, beautiful people? I hope you're having a wonderful and an amazing day wherever you are in this beautiful world. Guys, you see the title of the video. Mama ENA, the general, she's going to make coconut chops, some fried dumpling and salfish. You get me? As a real Jamaican settings. So here we guys, welcome to another adventure, welcome to another cooking. You get me? My name is Tyrone. If you're new to this channel, and I'm asking you guys to please subscribe. When I look at the stats, I see like around 89% of you guys who watch the videos are not subscribed. You get what I say? So here what? Please subscribe. Due diligence, you know what I mean? Do the HBO help our brother out by hitting that subscription button and liking this video and leave a comment. You understand me? So here what? This is Manchester, Jamaica. This is where I'm at, Manchester. And cool Mandeville to be specific. And we're gonna enjoy ourselves today. We're gonna learn from mama and watch what go on. You understand me? So we soon come here. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're here with Mama ENA. So Mama ENA, talk to us now. Tell us what you're doing and what you're going to do.
I'm making greater jobs.
Yeah?
And greater jobs. I wash it now.
Okay. So you get off them stuff there. Okay, so you're going to grate it.
Dash your water. Oh, greater.
What you say I do for you now, Mama?
Greater jobs. Greater jobs. The greater sharp, you know. Oh, peel ginger. And you hear me?
Yeah, man. People, Mama say for no year. Mama, what you say? I peel ginger. Then hear your mama.
True for me is lazy. Nothing for them lazy like for me.
That's something, you know.
Yeah, nah, you're well.
Nah, you well.
No, sir. One of them.
Wish I say go sometime.
I can't clean up with her.
Scrape it then.
Cause you night it over there, you know.
Take your time, man.
Put your water in there. No want no more in there. Why look for sand and we put the sugar in. I'll put in the sugar now. Turn the boiling them. If it all too sweet. A story I know. You want to come out fire night. Smoke a bun. We put no fire on the man.
So what you saying, Mama? You need more fire?
Yes, I want some more.
You sure?
Try by one. Try every stick. Come on, come on. No more than this. That's how you can do. Judge about 4 tomato sucker. See them there. Take a picture of them. Them are beer too.
What? Mama, you go on with things, man. See your melon there, see your pepper there. Mama farm is in a paper. Go there. Mama peas, corn.
Judge plant corn, know me.
What are you? You say Mama strong? Mama Mama 80-year-old people and she's strong.
Judge plant the peas, know me.
Oh, Papa George. Okay, people Mama strong, me I tell you no, man. Just for subscribe to Mama now. Yeah, man. Straight.
Sitting them. I stove the should I turn off, you know. Yeah, we take your hand, make up it. You sticky.
Take your time, man. Take your time, Mama. Take your time. And then I rush. Take a little time and set them up. One right this one.
Take a knife and give me.
Peeps, boy, may I tell you, and I look good, Mama. Don't use your hand in the hat, you know. You know what, the bird here, Mama. Take your time. People rain and go fall and look there. But we're there in a country, peeps. They're in a country. Yeah, may I say, I don't know, see, I tie on this already. They're in the country with Mama ENA, and she'll make some pastry for you today. For those who want to make your coconut drops, you can make it that way. Yeah? Very delicious. And you can add some some almond flavor and some vanilla to this to make the greater cake one. So this is it, guys. Yeah, man. We are wait for it to set. Then we are gonna cook some food and go and have a vibe. Alright, peeps. So guess what? The rain came down. So Mama ENA had to come inside. So she's making for us fried dumpling with salfish. So when everything done fry up and thing, peeps, we're gonna head back outside and just, you know what I mean, catch our vibes. But rain a fall outside. So we have to, Mama have to cook it inside. So she make up our dumpling and thing. I'm gonna list the ingredients of the fried dumpling for you. Yeah? Yeah, man.
I have fried this thing. Cut up tomato. Tomato and onion. And a scallion. That's fried down cut now, you know.
Where are you, Mama?
Look come salfish.
Okay, so tell us, you boiled it already?
You can't see me already.
Yes, man. We are seeing, man. We are seeing, Mama. In your kitchen dark, though.
Not dark.
Yes, man. People have a kitchen dark.
I like
Like the other, but it's enough for us to see. But it's dark. It's dark, Mama. It's dark. People, what do you think about me having a podcast, talking and reasoning with all the older folks or the elderly? Let me know in the chat and in the comment of me having a podcast just talking to the elderly. I understand getting some knowledge from them on a different level. Some longer videos, sitting with the elderlies, visiting their homes, you know what I mean, and looking out for them. So let me know in the comment if you would support a podcast kind of thing, a little interview kind of thing with the elders. No cooking, nothing but just raw, undiluted talking with the people. So let me know, alright? Yeah, man. So I'ma soon finish clean up. Soon come.
Kaput mo naman. Ready. Saka ito. Don't you hear your salt? Don't you hear your salt? Huwag ka rin eh. Huwag ka ngayon. Bakit pa rin eh? Kaya pa rin eh. How much you want?
That's it.
One pick here. No more than this. Where's your salfish now? Alright. Right there.
Alright, peeps, so bless with food. You get me? I say, so mama make a little nice food for me. Rain come, so I just go in it and make you know what go on. The video don't got been a long video this week, but without further ado. Boom boom, that's for the full body. Nice. Peeps, funny dumpling. Yo! The one dumpling, full your belly. Let me say, full your belly. Peeps, here we go. Woo! Yo, mama cooking. Look at the food, simple people. Look upon the food, it's simple. But it's nice, you go up. It's nice, you go up. Mama, food I feel like somebody hug me up. Hug me up in my mouth. Woo! Soon come. Alright, peeps, so here we are going. Rain done fall. We eat the food already. Food fully bad. So the japs here. Mama coconut japs. You understand? I break off a little piece, but I give it a bite. I can see what I go on. Sweet. Nice little pastry. So this is mama's version, right? I mean other people may do it this way, but mama do it this way because this is the only way she can eat it. As a soft one, you understand? So it's not too soft and it's not too tough. So I say if some of you guys out there want to make coconut just, you can try this version of it. Not too soft, not too tough, and not too sweet. You want to break it again? Yeah, hard to break it, but still break. There what, man? Peeps, so here, this. I give the children them piece, let them eat it. Because you know I don't love too much sweet, you know, but I give them one thing, so I soon come, alright? Soon come. Alright people, so here what, that is it. Video never long, but that is it. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Be sure to do everything. Give it a better like, give it a better subscribe. If you're new to the channel, this is Tyrone Studio, guys, and see you guys in the next video. Happy Sunday to everybody. Thanks for coming on the premiere. It's a short video, not much, but we can still take away from it and learn. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little small one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Big up on yourself again. One love and peace and blessings all the while. Alright, see you guys soon.